Hello guys, how you doing? I hope that you're doing well. Prior to anything, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Hassan Al-Akwa and I am here to help you and assist you in your journey in English. So today's lesson is present simple. Okay, when we use present simple, exactly, we use present simple when we want to talk about habits or facts or some things we do it every day like a routine. So guys, here we have some words. If we see those words, you will know directly we are what in the present simple. Okay, those words are usually, always, sometimes, often, never, every week, every day, every month. So guys, if we see one of those words in the sentence or in the conversation, we will know directly we are talking about present simple. Okay guys, let's have a look to the structure of the sentence. Okay, structure of the sentence with they and we and you and I. Okay, plus verb plus what object? The verb without anything. Okay, so on the other hand, he, she, it plus verb. The verb here with he and she and it, we added what? S or es or ies. Okay, we added to the verb s like what? She cooks. Okay, every day. He plays. Okay, football sometimes, and like this. Okay. What about the es, guys? The es we add to the verb es if the last letter of the verb s or es, s or ss, ch, sh, z, x, and o. Okay, if the last letter is one of those letters, okay, so we're gonna add it es. What about the ies, guys? The ies we added to the verb if the last letter is y and before the y, okay, one or any letters except the vowels letters. Okay, any letters guys except the vowels letters. The vowels letters e, I, okay, a and u and o. Okay, so guys, if the last letter of the verb is y and before it any letter, okay, except those five, we're gonna delete the y and add it to the verb what? ies. Okay guys, clear? So let's have a look to the examples guys. Here, she cook every day. What should we add to the verb here? She cook every day. S or es or ies? Exactly, s. She cooks every day. He sometimes watch TV. Watch it. What should we add it to watch? Exactly, es, because what? The last two letters is ch. Okay, and the ch here. So we're gonna add what? Es. He watches TV. It rain a lot in winter. It rain a lot in winter. So exactly, we're gonna add what here? S to rain. It rains a lot in winter. He study English every week. He study. Okay. Here study. Yes. I forgot the Y. He study English every day. Okay. So here guys study. Okay. The Y here guys. Before it what? D. Is the D one of the vowels? Absolutely not. So here we're gonna delete the Y guys and add it to the verb what? I, E, S. He studies English every week. He often play football. Here we're gonna add what? S or IES? S. Why? Because here, yeah, it's the last letter is Y, but before it A, and A is one of the vowels. So here we're gonna just add what? S. He often plays football. Okay, what about the they and we and you and I? As I told you before, we will not add it to the verb anything. Okay, they always study English. We play football every week. Okay, we sometimes wash the dishes and so on. Okay, what about guys if you want to change those positive sentence to a negative sentence and a question? Here guys, we're gonna what? Add it to the verb, to the sentence do and does. Okay, the helping verbs. Okay, the negative sentence, the structure of the negative sentence will be like this: subject plus do and does plus verb plus object. But guys, we use with do what? They and we and I and you with do. What about does? We use it with what? With he and she and it. And guys, when we added does to the he and she and it in the sentence, we will not add it to the verb anything. Focus guys here. When we added does, we want to change the sentence from positive to a negative sentence and from a positive sentence to a question. Okay, we will not add it to the verb anything. Okay, let's have a look, guys. First with what? The question. So guys, as I told you, not a question, the negative, I'm so sorry. Okay, so he doesn't watch TV. So watch here, we didn't add it es or anything. He doesn't watch TV. They don't wash the dishes. She doesn't cook lunch. I don't eat fast food. Okay, what about the question? We're gonna take do and does and put it at the beginning of the sentence. It will be the structure of the question sentence like this: do and does plus subject plus verb plus object. Okay guys, so does he play football? Yes, he does. The answer it will be, or no, he does not. The answer it will be what? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Okay, does she visit her father? No, she doesn't. Okay, what about do? Do they study English? Yes, they do. That means yeah. Do you play football? No, I don't. Okay guys, so that was the present simple, and what I want you guys now to do is you're gonna now write 6 sentences. Okay, 2 positive sentence and 2 negative sentence and 2 what? A question. And then you can check your sentence. If it's correct, that means you understand and assimilate the lesson well. Thank you guys and all the best. See you in another lesson.